Tanzanian health officials and professionals on Friday thanked China for its support in fighting malaria in the African country through a cooperative project. According to a conference on malaria control held in Dar es Salaam, a cooperative project implemented between 2015 and 2021 has seen a marked malaria burden reduction from more than 30% to around 3%.
This Chinese success story here in Tanzania in the fight against malaria will continue to help our country and other countries in the continent to control and ultimately eliminate malaria.
It's been a very interesting journey to work with the colleagues from China. These are two different cultures, but the working culture and the way we've interacted over time, there's been a lot of mutual learning between our institutions and experts from both Tanzania and China.
Swapon, Minister Counselor of the Chinese Embassy in Tanzania, said China's success in the anti-malaria fight proved to the world that a malaria-free future can be expected.
Over the years, the Chinese government has conducted bilateral cooperation on malaria prevention and control with many countries through providing medicines and technical assistance, building anti-malaria centers and training professionals, and also actively taken part in the multilateral anti-malaria efforts through working with WHO, Global Fund, Bill and the Melinda Foundation and other stakeholders.
The project was supported by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and implemented by the Tanzania National Malaria Control Program, the Ifakara Health Institute, the World Health Organization Country Office in Tanzania, and the National Institute for Parasitic Disease under the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention.